Welcome to the best English hub.
Do you struggle with English grammar? Do you often get confused about when to use go or goes, was or were? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners face the same challenge. But today I'm going to make grammar easy for you. Welcome to the best English hub, your go-to place for learning English in a simple and fun way. If you want to improve your grammar, speak confidently and avoid common mistakes, you're in the right place. In this lesson, I'll take you through the basics of English grammar in an easy-to-understand way. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong foundation in English grammar and be able to use it with confidence. Make sure to watch till the end because I have a fun quiz for you. Let's begin. Before we start learning, let's answer a simple question. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that help us form correct sentences in English. It includes words, sentence, structure, tenses and punctuation. Without grammar, our sentences would be confusing. Imagine saying she goes to school yesterday. The correct way is she went to school yesterday. That's why learning grammar is important. To understand English grammar, you need to know the 8 parts of speech. These are the building blocks of English sentences. Nouns are names of people, places or things, such as John, London or book. Pronouns replace nouns like he, she, they and it. Verbs are action words, such as run, write, eat and talk. Adjectives describe nouns. For example, beautiful, big, small and fast. Adverbs describe verbs like quickly, slowly and happily. Prepositions show direction, place or time, such as on, in, under, before and after. Conjunctions connect words or sentences like and, but and because. Finally, interjections are short exclamations, such as wow, oh, and hey let's see. An example sentence: the happy boy quickly ran to his school because he was late. Understanding these 8 parts of speech will help you improve your grammar fast. Now let's talk about sentence structure. Every English sentence has 3 main parts. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about, such as John, the cat, we or they. The verb describes an action or state of being, like is, run, talk or eat. The object receives the action, such as a book, the cake or a message. For example, in the sentence John is reading a book, John is the subject, is reading is the verb, and a book is the object. Another example is she loves music. A complete sentence must have these 3 parts. Without them, your sentence is incomplete. Tenses tell us when an action happens: past, present or future. The past tense describes something that happened before. For example, yesterday I watched a movie. The present tense describes something happening now, like I am watching a video. The future tense describes something that will happen later, such as tomorrow I will watch a movie. Tenses are very important in English grammar. We will cover each tense in detail in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Let's talk about some common mistakes that English learners make and how to correct them. Many learners say, she go to school every day. The correct sentence is, she goes to school every day. Another mistake is, I didn't went to the party. The correct sentence is, I didn't go to the party. Similarly, he don't like coffee should be, he doesn't like coffee. By avoiding these mistakes, you will sound more fluent and confident. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Let's test what you've learned today. Answer in the comments. Which of these is a verb? A. Slowly. B. Jump. C. Happy. What is the correct sentence? A. She eat dinner every night. B. She eats dinner every night. Which sentence is in the future tense? A. I will travel to London. B. I travel to London. Comment your answers below. I'll check them and reply. Great job today. You've learned the basics of English grammar, including parts of speech, sentence structure, tenses and common mistakes. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be speaking English fluently. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the Best English Hub for more English lesson and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Do you ever wonder why English sentences work the way they do? Why do we say, she runs fast, instead of she fast runs? The answer lies in the 8 parts of speech, the building blocks of English grammar.